let's talk about LinkedIn conversational ads. These ads are a type of ad format on the LinkedIn platform designed to engage users about personalized conversations. These ads aim to drive engagement and capture leads by allowing advertisers to initiate a conversation with users through a message. Here's how LinkedIn conversational ads generally worked. Number 1. Ad appearance. The ad would appear in the LinkedIn user's feed like a sponsored post, but it would have a call to action CTA button inviting the user to click. Number 2. Clicking the CTA. When the user clicked the CTA button, a message-like interface would open up resembling a chat conversation. Number 3. Interactive conversation. The user would be presented with a series of predefined response options that they could choose from, which would guide the conversation flow. This interaction could be customized by the advertiser to fit the marketing solution. Number 4. Engagement and lead generation. The user's responses would help advertisers understand their preferences or needs better. Advertisers could also gather contact information or other relevant details during the conversation, effectively generating leads. Number 5. Directing to a landing page. The conversation would be structured to ultimately direct the users to a specific landing page, product page, or other call to action. Here are the specifications that were relevant at that time. Number 1. Format. Conversation ads on LinkedIn typically had a multi-step messaging format resembling a chat conversation. Number 2. Initial message. The ad started with an initial message that could include text, images, and call to action CTA button. The CTA button would prompt the user to begin the conversation. Number 3. Conversation flow. After clicking the CTA, the user would be presented with a series of response options that they could choose from. These options would lead the user through a guided conversation flow. Number 4. Response types. Responses could include multiple choice options, single choice buttons, and quick replies. Advertisers could customize the response options based on their marketing goals. Number 5. Engagement metrics. Advertisers could measure engagement metrics such as click-through rate, CTR, conversation completion rates, and other relevant data to evaluate the performance of their conversation aids. Number 6. Lead generation. Conversation ads could be used for lead generation by asking users for their contact information or other relevant details during the conversation. Number 7. CTA and landing page. The conversation could be designed to lead users to a specific landing page, product page, or other desired action at the end of the conversation flow. Number 8. Targeting. Conversation ads could be targeted to specific LinkedIn audiences based on factors such as job title, industry, company size, location, and more. Number 9. Reporting. Advertisers could access reporting metrics to track the performance of their conversation ads, including engagement rates, click through rates, and other key performance indicators. LinkedIn conversation ads offer several benefits to advertisers who are looking to engage their target audience in a more personalized and interactive way. Here are some benefits of using LinkedIn conversation ads. Engagement. Conversation ads create an interactive and dynamic experience for users, mimicking a chat-like conversation. This engagement can capture users' attention and keep them interested in your message. Personalization. The multi-step conversation format allows you to tailor the messaging and responses based on user preferences and needs. This personalized can make users feel more connected to your brand and message. Lead generation. Conversation ads are effective for lead generation. By guiding users through a series of responses, you can collect valuable contact information and other details that can be used for follow-up marketing efforts. Qualification. Through the conversation flow, you can ask qualifying questions to better understand the user's needs, interests, and buying intent. This information can help you target and prioritize your leads more effectively. Education. You can use conversation ads to educate your audience about complex products or services. The guided conversation allows you to break down information into manageable chunks and address potential questions. Call to action like CTA. Conversation ads incorporate. Users are more likely to respond to a CTA presented in a chat-like format, increasing the chance of desired actions being taken. Segmentation. Conversation ads can be tailored for specific audience segments. You can create different conversation paths based on the user's job title, industry, location, or other relevant criteria. Matrices and insights. LinkedIn provides metrics that allow you to track the performance of your conversation ads, including engagement rates, click-through rates, conversation completion rates, and more. This data can help you refine your strategy over time. Rich media. Conversation ads can include images and other multimedia elements, making them visually appealing and enhancing the overall user experience. Customer interaction. If users have questions or concerns, they can interact with the ad to answer in real time. This direct interaction can build trust and credibility for your brand.